Stop asking kids what they want to be. Ask them what skills they want to collect. In 2040, your education is a custom Lego set that you rebuild every year. Degrees are dead. Microcreditals are the new currency. You learn in short, powerful bursts, stacking skills like building blocks. You don't finish school anymore. You evolve. Your career is a dynamic fractal where every new skill opens up a whole new universe of possibilities. Knowledge is a flow, not a destination. You are a permanent student of the future, constantly adapting to a world that never stands still. The office has become the new university. Companies are now learning ecosystems where your curiosity is the most valuable asset you own. We've traded rigid curricula for fluid growth. In scenario A, you are paid to learn, and your growth is the company's greatest profit.
Adaptability is the new stability. When you embrace the flow of learning, you become impossible to replace. You are the architect of your own evolution. This is the promise of Education 4.0. It's not about passing a test. It's about mastering the art of being human in a world of machines.
Stay curious. Stay hungry. Next time, we'll see how we finally reclaimed our time with mental wealth. I'll see you then. Subscribe to evolve in the golden age.